like death. I feel like death. I'm actually sick or something. I don't know. Yeah. Anyways, we are on our way to the beach, and today is Serenity's actual birthday. So happy birthday, mamas!
Oh, that's right. Happy birthday, baby.
Happy birthday, mama!
God.
Today's your birthday.
And mine.
No, yours. Mason still thinks it's his birthday. But today is Serenity's actual birthday. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So we're on our way to the beach. We're going to Bolsa Chica. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. We're going to go hang out over there. And then my grandma, my sister, my mom, bless you. So my mom, my grandma, my sister, my brother, and his girlfriend and the baby are gonna meet us there at the beach later on. Yeah, baby cousin. They're gonna meet us at the beach later. We're just gonna go get a spot. We literally, I'm following Nick right now, so he brought like everything, like the canopy, the table, the chairs, all that stuff. And yeah, we're just gonna hang out at the beach and probably take off around 3 or 4 because I still have to drive all the way home to Victorville. So that is our plan for today. So we just got out here to Bolsa Chica.
And no
Ready?
no
Mama,
first.
are you ready? Look at all the surfers.
Big cowabunga, dude.
Come book it, dude.
No! That's awesome. It's cold right now, but it'll get warmer later. We got a good spot, huh? How cool.
It's not really cold.
It feels good. What? Yeah. It feels good. It doesn't even feel cold. Like, it just feels fresh. Okay. It's too early to be that loud right now. But yeah, we got a really good spot and perfect. The water's right there. Our car is somewhere over there, so we're not that far. But yeah, so I don't know what time everyone's gonna head out here, but we just wanted to get a good spot. That's why we got here early, and we're just gonna chill. But yeah. So update, I feel better, not gonna lie. My neck is still stiff, but I'm not nauseous anymore. My back pain went away. I don't know, I just think I needed beach therapy. I know, can you stop? God, you're so controlling. But yeah, I feel so much better. In the last couple of days I was feeling like crap, but I feel better now that I'm here at the beach. My brother should be here before my grandma and them get here. But yeah, we're just hanging out. No, Serenity, leave that alone. You're gonna tilt that, don't.
No, come here, baby. Come here,
Because it's her, I know, because it's her birthday. She's being such a little bad little butt.
Oh.
Yeah. Jeez.
No.
No. Exactly what I didn't want you to do.
Time they say.
Yeah. Ah!
Jesus!
So Des brought these buckets so they can wash their hands and feet, and they just tilt it over again. Wow.
We're gonna go in the water.
Yeah. This is our little setup. And then we got some of these. I can't wait to try those. Stella Rosa and Can. So we'll see. Dusty's over there.
Whose son are you?
Yours.
Yeah.
But this is my outfit. So somebody fell asleep. She is out. We woke up early this morning, but then again, they always wake up like super early. I think they woke up around 6. Because she is laid out. That's good. I'd rather her take a nap right now.
Yeah.
But
Before everyone
Yeah. So we're just hanging out.
Oh, there's no more hash browns in here. Is there more in that bag?
Look, there's a boat, you guys. Yeah, there is right there.
That's the coast guard. Okay.
Is it?
Yeah.
No, the Coast
Boats can't go that fast. Not right here.
It would say Coast Guard.
Yeah, it would have a
Probably
red.
the flag.
It would have a rim that says U.S. Coast Guard, and the rim would be a different color too.
That's dangerous.
So the birthday girl is laid out. We've gone. She's tired. We're gonna let her sleep because we got up super early this morning and I don't want her to be grumpy, so that's good that she's taking a nap right now. Say hi.
Dude, why my face? No.
I don't see it.
It's Destiny. Right there.
Say hi. So they just got here. Grandma, Mom, Sissy.
It's fucking cold.
Oh my gosh. Hi, Papa. You hungry? You want to eat? You want to go in the water? What's the matter, baby? Serenity's still. Serenity's still knocked out, which is good. The sun looks like it's starting to come out. So that's good. And then my cousin Michael is coming. And I'm still waiting on my brother and Elizabeth.
Slay the dragon soul, and it will be host on a pole in a pace that breeds life's cold. And you gotta be bold as the rock to hold together the plot. Perfectly ready for battle, able to tackle the grapple that lay ahead in the trench. Did I mention offensive? We take a television. We can run up a bar on the drop of a dime. Make a fun of a fire. Bitch, shoot some of the mind. With nothing to
Hi, are you up now? Hi. Hi, Sleeping Beauty. You up? She's on still sleeping, you know.
Just like you this morning.
Miss Diva. Hi.
Say, it's my birthday. I could be moody if I want to.
Why I do what I do, why I live how I live, why I crew with the brothers that I crew with is
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday, dear Serenity. Happy birthday to you.
Bite the cherry. Get the cherry, Mama.
Get it, Mama, get it. Get it. Eat it. Eat it. Oh, listen, stop.
Let me
Good
see.
job. Sing to Mason. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mason. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Grab your cookie. Eat your cookie.
Eat the cookie.
Eat your cookie. Take a bite.
Yeah. Good turn.
yeah, it's getting really hot. Just like try and go at it slowly. It's gonna be hot, dude.
Oh, I felt my.
I know. Slowly, slowly.
Real slow.
Real slow. Okay?
It's hot.
I can't even scream.
I know. Just put it. Just go ahead.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
No,
It's fine.
Des, you have to put your. You'll feel better. It feels better when you put it in there.
Or just put the part where you got some.
Go ahead. Come on. Put it in there. There you go. Leave me alone. Well, yeah, I know, but it'll feel better. So what happened, Des?
I got stung by a stinger. Ask him. He was there too.
So my cousin and Destiny got stung by
I
a
felt
stingray.
it on my leg.
Just put it in. There you go. All the way.
My little pinky going like that.
No. It'll feel better with all of it in. You know how when you get in the
Testing
water?
the waters. I'm testing the
Okay.
waters. Literally. No, my foot's right here. My heel likes it. My foot's not.
You're gonna be here for longer if you don't put your foot all the way in there. There you go. Okay, it's okay. Just go ahead. Freak! I'm not even. This is harder than like the pedicures you get. Yeah, because it has to. It's gonna help with the pain. There you go. It's okay.
It's like my big toe.
It's
Lava.
it's lava.
It's lava.
I know. What are they doing? You silly. Take a picture.
Sit down with Grandma. No? What kind of boat is that out there?
What time is it?
See?
Look at me in your background.
Oh, look.
There's the other one, Mason. See it? Over there.
Stretching your back.
Yeah. Come here, Papa.
Yeah, that's a penguin.
Say hi.
Go low. I mean, not penguin, but seal.
So we are wrapping it up. It's already 3:30. We're gonna take off. It's starting to get really windy out here now, but look at that view.